Hello, my name is Dax DeLucchi, and I'm a technical analyst with Interval Crypto Consulting. And today we're talking about Bitcoin's price action on the daily time frame. For now, Bitcoin has bounced off of the descending support, which is usually bad news if it breaks under the ascending support. So right here, you see these wicks and these bodies of candles broke under this ascending support. That usually means that there's a weak trend of some sort, whether that be upward or downward. And right now it is upwards. So Bitcoin has a weak trend upwards, trying to make new highs. What can we expect? We can expect a retest of these highs. So a retest of 21,600 to 22,400. We can also expect a weak, almost dead cat bounce and almost a rainbow following and a breakdown of this ascending and then descending support all the way back down to this low, which is around 17,500, 17,600. If we were to look at Fibonacci's from the low, which is 17,572, to the high, which is 22,500, we see that Bitcoin's bounce off the 786 led to a rally up to this top and a fake out up with this massive wick here. And then it inevitably came down, retested this ascending support, and actually broke through it. So this could be also a fake out. So this and this also both acted as fake outs. As on the daily time frame, this didn't form a body, but this did, which seems to mean that Bitcoin has almost a weighted feeling to it, right? It wants to go down. If Bitcoin established this as a strong support, it would bounce off of it inevitably. But because of this 4-5% range of these bodies touching this descending support instead of the ascending support and broke down past the ascending support, it shows that Bitcoin is weighted downward. Bitcoin needs a spark. But where we see it, we don't know. Bitcoin right now is in the depths, is at 20K, but a lot of people are accumulating this level. Like I said before in one of our videos, every time Bitcoin's price goes down, it is a buy level for Bitcoin. You should be thinking about next cycle when Bitcoin is at 250K rather than 20K. You'll be asking yourself why you didn't buy the 20K mark, the 28K mark, the 36K mark, 45K mark, etc. So always buy low. Remember that. In any asset class, any commodity, with anything in general, buy low, right? And what's low right now? Bitcoin. So I'm not advising you to buy and throw in all your money now. This is a buy zone. Take advantage of it for the long term. So the coins that are doing better than Bitcoin right now actually are Ethereum, AVAX, Solana, Algorand, Curve, DOT, even Chainlink. Since alts have a lower market cap, it means that their volume is greater to their market cap, which means that the price is more volatile. You will see higher highs, lower lows in Bitcoin in the consolidation phase for that coin and for Bitcoin in the market. A coin that is doing exceptionally well right now is Curve. As Curve hit the 53% price mark, and within a month, it is back up 2 times. So if you've invested here and bought the bottom, you would have made 2 times your money, which is incredible. So according to this article, Voyager and Celsius are bankrupt. Wow. Okay. And they've destroyed some crypto investors' confidence in the centralized platforms. This man said, "I just wake up and cry," which is pretty self-explanatory. If I had a lot of assets in a centralized platform such as Voyager or Celsius that went bankrupt and took my money, I think I'd be pretty furious also. Also take a look at this guy. This guy looks pretty upset. You know, the Luna situation, the Voyager situation, the Celsius situation, it all seems pretty scandalous. Also, if Coinbase goes under, it's going to look very, very, very poor for the market, as Coinbase is a big part of the crypto community, and if it just takes people's assets and uses it as funding for bankruptcy, I think a lot of people would be crying. Having money in Voyager and Celsius was very unfortunate, Francis Yu, and I apologize, and I might give you a follow. Actually, I won't because I have to sign in, but that's tough. Also, according to this article, Bloomberg, the SEC weighs waiving some rules to regulate crypto. This is interesting because the SEC has always been in hand with crypto and always played a part in the crypto's market. That's why we are pretty bullish on XRP here at Innovam Crypto Consulting, is because once the SEC either loses the lawsuit, even wins the lawsuit, XRP will be deemed as a security, which means it will be deemed as almost a stock in sorts. So all of the movement that XRP has missed out on from the 2022 crypto crash due to COVID to a lot of movement that took place at the ATH. XRP has been held down by the SEC for a while, and so has XLM, because XLM is tied in part with XRP. So if you can throw money in XLM, XRP, they're great projects. I would highly suggest to give XRP and XLM